Welcome to 3Cell Xplore. Today, we take a drive through one of the most vibrant and historic parts of Takoradi. Our journey begins at Essikafo Ammba Ntem No. 1, a community full of life, color, and everyday hustle. As we glide through its busy streets, you'll see the blend of old neighborhood charm and the modern energy that keeps Takoradi moving. From there, we head straight toward the legendary Market Circle, the true heartbeat of the city. This iconic round market has served the people of Takoradi for generations, and even in the middle of its ongoing redevelopment, it remains a powerful symbol of the region's culture, commerce, and resilience. We're currently driving along Parkos Avenue, the road that connects Essikafo Ammba Ntem No. 1 and No. 2 directly to the iconic Takoradi Market Circle. Everything you see on both sides of this stretch, the houses, shops, and roadside activity, forms part of the historic Essikafo Ammba Ntem No. 1 community. Most of these buildings were proudly constructed before the 1970s by the hard-working people of Takoradi. They stand today as a reminder of the city's rich past, resilience, and the strong community spirit that built this neighborhood long before modern development arrived. In our view now is the Takoradi Market Circle, which is currently undergoing a major reconstruction to modernize the entire space and accommodate far more traders and visitors. The Market Circle, built in the form of a perfect roundabout, once held the title of the largest roundabout in Africa. Although newer infrastructure across the continent has overtaken it in size, this iconic structure remains the only market on the entire African continent built as a perfect circle. It's a true architectural landmark of the Western region, and once the redevelopment is complete, it will become an even more vibrant commercial hub. If you ever find yourself in Takoradi, this is one place you must visit when it's fully done. The Market Circle is the true melting point of Takoradi, serving as the vibrant business hub of the entire Western region. This is where almost everything connected to commerce takes place, from trading and transport to daily market activities that keep the city alive. The market was planned and built by city engineers to form the nucleus of trading for the new Takoradi city. The city became bustling after the building of the Takoradi Harbour, which served as a major export center because of high export activity. Many people migrated to the city for employment, and this increase warranted the setting up the market. It was to be built at a site that was to be easily accessible. The market site makes it probably the most accessible point in the whole of the Takoradi metropolis. Major road lead to it. The John Mensa Sabbah Road links the market from the southwest and from the northeast. The Liberation Road linking it from the southeast through the market to the northwest. Other roads that access the market are the Ashanti Road and the Anava Road. We're now driving on the Old John Sabbah Road, an important link between the Takoradi Market Circle and the Pa Grant Roundabout. From this roundabout, you can connect to Sekondi, New Site, New Takoradi, the Harbour, and the Pobee Biney Road, which eventually leads to the Ghana Secondary Technical School Road. This stretch remains one of the key routes that ties together several major parts of the city. We are now approaching the Pa Grant Roundabout, one of the major connecting points in Takoradi. We're now driving along the Pobee Biney Road, a key route that connects to several important areas in Takoradi. This road leads directly to the Ghana Secondary Technical School, the Nav West Schools, Essikafo Ammba Ntem No. 3, the Harbour, Beach Road, and many other major destinations around the city. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting drives and explorations across Ghana and beyond. Thank you for watching 3Cell Xplore.